Hi everyone, I'm Emily Landsman with the Jewish Food Experience, and today I'm here at Catoctin Creek Distilling Company. Catoctin Creek has been a long-time partner with JFE, and we're going to make a cocktail using their rye whiskey today. So this cocktail is called the Edible Arrangement, and I created it last year for a Jewish Food Experience event. It was very popular, so we decided to bring it to you online. You can find the recipe on our website at jewishfoodexperience.com. So we're going to start with some ice in our shaker. And then 1 ounce of rye whiskey, 3/4 of an ounce of white creme de cacao, 1 ounce of pineapple juice, and just a squeeze of lemon. So I've got a little wedge here, just a little bit. And then we're going to shake this for about 10 seconds. And I'm going to strain it into my cocktail glass using a Hawthorne strainer, this funny looking thing, and a regular mesh strainer. Okay. And then to garnish, I have in a little salt shaker just some cocoa powder. I'm just going to dust that on top. And there we go, the edible arrangement. L'chaim.